Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Sonos 5 speaker. And all we have to do is just to rotate our speaker and find this button. This one. We have to unplug this cable. After that we have to click and hold this button, and while holding this button we have to plug back this power cord. So let's do this right now. Let's unplug the cable, let's press on this button and then plug this cable back. And we have to keep holding. As you can see right now, it turns to the white and the orange, so it means that we are performing the hard reset. Right now, when it turns green, you can finally release that button, and it means that right now we are able to pair this speaker with other devices. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.